Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this is very likely in a wave 4, and eventually will lead to another push up for a wave 5 to complete what I think is very, very clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 way pattern on the monthly, which is likely 5 waves of C or 5 waves of 3. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it did kind of break structure finally, so maybe the wave B is over. I think this is an A, I think this is a wave B. If the wave B is over, then we are back into a downtrend for a wave C of wave 4. Just keep in mind that this is the weekly time frame, so even if it is going down, it potentially will take anywheres from maybe a month or two to maybe 3 or 4 months for this pattern to complete. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where you can see the A. I think it's impulsive up for A, 3 waves down for B, impulsive up for C. I think the correction could be over. I mean, it's been making lower lows, lower highs. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here just for areas of resistance, because even if it does keep on going down, these Fibonacci levels will definitely be areas of resistance where you're likely to get bounces, which is good news for us because that's good places to take profit and good places to look for bounces to go short again on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now this move up right here is very, very likely only a correction to this last move down. So very likely this is going to make some sort of a correction to this last move down and probably end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, zoom out a little bit. On the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down right here. If we really are in that wave C on the higher time frames, this move up is just part of a correction to that move down. We're probably only in a wave A. We're probably going to end up making a wave B and then eventually back up for a wave C, which would be a correction to these last waves down, the last series of lower lows, lower highs down. So for me personally, I am waiting for a 3 way pullback. I'm waiting for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level. I'm waiting for a nice engulfing move to the downside for another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. This could literally go up to any level between 38 and 78%. So that's why I would prefer not to go long. I would prefer to just wait patiently for sorting opportunities, hopefully for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.